In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Adobe Acrobat notifications, covered comprehensively in this full 2025 guide. We all appreciate Acrobat's ability to streamline our document tasks, but those persistent notifications can sometimes become a distraction. So let's dive into how you can easily disable them on your Adobe Acrobat. First things first, open up your Adobe Acrobat application. Now what you want to do is direct your attention to the top left corner. There you'll find the menu bar, a convenient location for accessing various features of the software. Click on this menu and look for the Preferences option within that drop-down menu. This option is your gateway to customizing settings within Adobe to better suit your needs. Once you're in Preferences, you'll notice various categories displayed on the left-hand sidebar. You should select the General category. This section contains a range of options related to how Adobe Acrobat functions overall, including, you guessed it, notifications. Now within the General settings, you'll want to focus your attention down to an area titled Messages from to Adobe. Here is where the magic happens. It's the central hub where you can control which alerts and notifications Adobe Acrobat sends your way. You will see a checkbox labeled Show me messages when I launch Adobe Acrobat. Initially, this is typically checked by default, meaning you receive numerous pop-up messages whenever you open the application. What you need to do here is rather straightforward. Uncheck this box. By doing so, you're signaling to Adobe Acrobat that you no longer wish to receive these initial messages whenever you start up the program. Finally, to ensure that your new settings are saved and applied, make sure to click on OK. This action closes the Preferences dialog box and locks in your changes, allowing you to enjoy a more seamless and uninterrupted experience each time you use Adobe Acrobat. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off Adobe Acrobat notifications. Remember, these changes can significantly reduce interruptions and help you focus better on your tasks. If you ever wish to receive notifications again, simply retrace these steps and check the box once more. Hopefully this guide has been clear and easy to follow. By customizing your notification settings, you enhance your productivity and adapt the software to operate in alignment with your preferences. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides that make navigating software a breeze.